Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, we make sure Bluetooth is on, like so. Then you can either click the telephone or go through it through the menu, but we'll click the telephone, that's easiest. No phone connected, connect to device now, yes. Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable. Well, search for Bluetooth devices. It's picked my phone up already, so we'll click that. Here we go. Bluetooth pairing request from the audio system 85617, 85617. Does the passkey match shown on your Bluetooth device? Yes, and then click pair on here. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. I probably won't be using the car again, so I won't allow, but you will. And that's it. That's Discovery Sport. That's it paired.